everyone. Let's start discussion on module number 9, which is on the hands-on project experience for the ongoing lecture series for the product manager role in a RegTech and the FinTech industry. So, in this model, we are going to discuss how to create and mock RegTech product roadmap. So, step by step, how to create the journey or the life cycle of the product roadmap, and then we will discuss on the design and compliance features that we need to include in the product output of the product or the final product, and then we discuss on the build a patch deck for the RegTech startup. So this topic we will discuss on this slide or in this video. So before I'll start to in this video, so I'll request you, please do like and subscribe my channel, so that's motivate me to create and more videos for you guys on a topic of the RegTech product manager or the RegTech business analyst, quant analyst, or the quality analyst in the IT domain, or the AI ML related videos, hot topic videos. So let's start on the main point discussion. So let's first I'll give you the introduction to the model 9, so you can understand very well what we are going to learn from this video. So here first we discuss on the overview and objective of the product development, or hands-on project development, what we need to learn. So these model focus on practical application within a RegTech domain, emphasizing hands-on experience in a product development and strategic planning. So we mainly discuss on how to product development, how to manage the strategies, and the objective of these model are threshold. First, to enable the participant to create and mock RegTech product roadmap that outline the vision, milestone, and the timeline for the hypothetical solution when we are going to deliver that product. And then second, we are going to discuss on to design a compliance feature that address a specific regulatory requirements such as the anti-money laundering, know your customer, or the GDPR. And third, we will focus on to build a compliant patch deck for a RegTech startup that can attract the investor and the stakeholder. By engaging in these tasks, learner will gain insights into the end-to-end process of conceptualizing, designing, presenting a RegTech solution. This model breeds a theoretical knowledge and practical execution, ensuring the participant understand how to translate a compliance need into innovation technology solution, and how to fill the market gaps with using the new technology in the with the RegTech product. So hands-on approach foster creativity, strategic thinking, and technical design skill, preparing learner for a real world challenges in the RegTech industry. So that's the end of this slide. So let's move on the next slide, that is the creative or mock RegTech product for the roadmap. So, where we are going to discuss on some, step to development a product roadmap, where we discuss on the key phases, and each phases what the activity we need to done and how much time line that will needed for to complete each phases. So, a product roadmap, sir, has a strategic guide for a development and launch of a RegTech solution. The first step is to define a product vision which articulate the purpose and value proposition of the solution. Next, identify key milestones such as the minimum viable product, where we start with the small features or the model to develop the product, and then the compliance integration. Then we do the beta testing as per the business requirement, that product will work or not work. We do the UAT testing and go to the market strategy. Each milestone should include the specific deliverable and timeline, obtain or visualize through a Gantt chart, roadmap, or the RACI matrix, or the key deliverable diagram, or incorporating regulatory update and scalability consideration is crucial to ensure a long-term viability. The roadmap should also highlight the dependencies, resource allocation, and risk mitigation strategy. So by creating a mock roadmap, participants learn how to prioritize features aligned with compliance requirement, business requirement, functional requirement, non-functional requirement, and communicate a progress effectively to the stakeholder. This exercise emphasizes strategic planning and adaptability in rapidly evolving regulatory environment, or we are with using the agile methodology we can deliver the continuous change or iterative way. So let's move on the next slide, which is design a compliance feature. So how we are going to design a compliance feature, where we are going to discuss on the key matrix, that is the key components of a compliance feature. So where we discuss on the component like data collection or the risk score engine, reporting audit trial, and UX design, where discussion and the purpose why we are going to use that matrices. So, design a compliance feature require a deep understanding of regulatory framework and user experience principle, being by selecting a regulatory requirement such as anti-money laundering, know your customer, and GDPR. The feature should include a robust data collection and validation mechanisms to ensure the accuracy and integrity. Incorporate a risk scoring engine that evaluate a user profile and transaction against the compliance standard. Additionally, implement reporting and audit trail functionality to provide a transparency and facilitate the regulatory reviews. UI/UX consideration are critical. The interface should be intuitive, guiding user through compliance step without a fraction. Security measures such as encryption and secure the authentication must be integrated to protect the sensitive data. This exercise teaches the participants how to balance regulatory rigor with usability, creating features that are both compliant and user friendly. So let's move on the next slide, which is the build a patch deck for a RegTech startup. So where how to reach the patch deck and essential of the patch deck, where we discuss on very important matrix, which is the essentials elements of the patch deck, where we discuss sections and what that need to contain. So like a problem statement, solution overview, market strategy, business model, competitive landscape, financial projection, and a team roadmap. So let's start discussion on the a patch deck is a critical tool for attracting investor and partner to a RegTech startup. It's a most important tool, guys. You need to understand how to prepare this tool. It should begin with the complying problem statement that highlight the regulatory challenges faced by business. Follow this with a clear solution overview and explain how to propose the RegTech product address these challenges effectively, including a market opportunity analysis supported by data to demonstrate the growth potentials. Outline the business model, detailing revenue streamline and pricing strategy. Present the competitive landscape, showcasing differentiator that set the product apart. Financial projection should be realistic, covering revenue forecast, expense and profitability timeline, introduce a time emphasize expertise and experience relevant to RegTech. Finally, include a roadmap that align with the product development plan. Visually storytelling is a key. User graphic chart and concise text to make the deck engaging and preserve you. So that's the thing we do. So let's move on the second last slide, that is the deliverable and evaluation of the on the projects or the on project experience. So where we discuss on the expected output and assessment criteria, how the product will get successful. So where we discuss on the key deliverables, evaluation criteria, roadmap and design expectation and patch deck evaluation. So participants are expected to submit three key deliverables, such as a detailed product roadmap, document, compliance feature design, mock-up, and the comprehensive patch deck considering of 10 to 12 slides. These output will be evaluated based on the innovation, practicality, alignment with regulatory requirement. The roadmap should demonstrate the strategic, forensic, and clear prioritize objects. The compliance feature design must reflect the robust functionality and user-centric design principle. The patch deck will be assessed for clarity, preservedness, and the visual appeal. So evaluation criteria also include the ability to integrate compliance consideration seamlessly into product design and the effectiveness of communication in the patch deck. The holistic assessment ensure the participant not only understood theoretical concept but can also apply them in creative visual RegTech solution. So that's the end of this very important slide. It's an hands-on project experience. So if you are interested in the RegTech and the product or the FinTech domain as a product manager, business analyst, or the quality analyst or the quant analyst, so please do like and subscribe my channel. So that's motivate me to create and more such videos for you guys. Once again, thank you so much guys for attending this interesting video. So please do like and subscribe my channel. So that's motivate me to create and more such videos guys for you. So thank you so much guys once again. Thanks.